Social distance, masks, washing our hands often protect us from germ and virus. However, a hotbed of bacteria might not be noticed. It follows us to the market, public transportation, even lives together with us in our bedroom. It's our smartphone. In order to find out how dirty our smartphone is, we took some sample from the surface of a daily use smartphone. Put it into the culture medium and observe how it develops. Meanwhile, we have set a control group. Before putting the smartphone into a waterproof case, the phone is cleaned carefully. Users spend a few days for daily use. Since the phone is wireless chargeable, it doesn't need to remove the case to charge this phone. Before taking the sample, the housing was cleaned carefully again. By the same procedure, sample was took and cultured. It was surprisingly found that a large number of bacterial colonies were cultivated in the samples of mobile phones that were used daily without cleaning. For the mobile phone, which plays in a waterproof case, we can hardly see the bacterial colony. Therefore, smartphone must be cleaned and washed as often as we clean our hands. Otherwise, germ is still on your smartphone, which would cause secondary transmission. Or you can put your phone in a waterproof case so that we can wash it at any time. During the most serious antivirus period in Wuhan City, it's difficult for a reporter to sterilize the camera after visiting the hospital. So they just put the phone in the waterproof phone case while using the smartphone for recording. When they leave the hospital, they put the housing into the disinfectant for sterilization completely. In order to protect ourselves and people around us, we'd better to wear masks and wash our hands. And don't forget to keep your smartphone clean.